Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the Aussie dollar obviously is still up. This could be a little bit tricky for a lot of people because it did break Strutzer right here, but look what happened after it broke Strutzer. Almost instantly rejected Strutzer. Look what happens when the market really breaks Strutzer in a big way, which is what I'm always looking for. It just broke up with a ton of momentum. Look what happened over here when the market broke down. It broke down with a ton of momentum and didn't look back. It didn't break Strutzer, then instantly reject Strutzer like it did here. There's a big difference between a break of Strutzer and a rejection of Strutzer and a break and hold above Strutzer like this and like that. So we definitely still do not have that break and hold below Strutzer. Now, obviously, this is a pretty significant resistance area in the past. It could end up being a pretty significant resistance area in the future, but I still think there's a good chance that we'll go up and take out this blue line, which is the highs of that correction. So I definitely am still recommending longs, at least until we get some sort of a solid breakdown, with a lot of momentum where it doesn't really look back. I would definitely still be looking for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, and as always, thank you for joining and happy trading.